So when we draw our region, this is a sideways parabola that's to the left and shifted to the right one. So there he is. So we want the region bounded by this and the y-axis here. And then we have cross sections that are perpendicular to the y-axis. And there's squares that are jutting up out of the whiteboard straight at us. So there's this square coming out this way. So if I were to draw this square, I'm trying to draw this part here and then it jutting up. So this part here, and then this part's jutting up at us. I just need to find the area of this square because my volume is going to be the integral of the area of one of these cross sections, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this length here is an x length, so it's 1 minus y squared. And because it's a square, they're the same. So the area is just 1 minus y squared. And we need limits, so we're going from on the y from here to here. So we kind of want to know where it meets the y-axis, where it meets x equals 0. So I want to know when 1 minus y squared is 0. So y squared would equal 1, so y would be plus 1 minus 1. I'm going from negative 1 to 1. This is my setup. All I have to do is solve. So, oops, no pi's. Sorry, there are no circles in here. I got distracted by the last. No pi in this one. Our cross sections are squares. So I'm just going to FOIL this out. 1 minus y squared is going to be 1 minus 2y squared plus y to the 4th dy. And now we're going to take the antiderivative piece. So it's going to be y minus 2y cubed over 3 plus y to the 5th over 5 from negative 1 to 1. So if we plug in the 1, we get 1 minus 2/3 plus 1/5. Subtract what we get when we plug in the negative 1. So that's negative 1 plus 2/3 minus 1/5. And now we just have this mess. So 1 minus 1 minus a minus 1 is 2. Negative 2/3 minus 2/3 is negative 4/3. 1/5 minus a minus 1/5 is 2/5. I really don't feel like adding fractions, but here we go. So common denominator 15. So that's 30 minus 20 plus 6. So that's 16 15ths. See if I can add correctly. Do they agree? Of course they don't. What was our original function? Was it squared or cubed?
Squared.
For number 15?
I mean, 15. Ha! Cubed!
Huh.
Ah!
So I think I just did a different problem. So hopefully this is right for this one. Is this something like a even problem around it or something, or?
No, that's actually
1 minus?
Nope, totally different. No, has nothing to do with that. It was just I messed up and said 19.
19?
But it actually has nothing to do with 19.
Where did this come from?
That's actually in the problem, but it's...
In 15?
Wait. No, that's not. That's 16, yep.
Okay.
Ha.
So this is 16. So I don't have an answer to check it, but it looked right.
Awesome. Totally my fault.
That's okay. We have an answer to 16. It's good. I should have known, looking at them like, how are they getting y equals 1/3? I chose to look at the end, so alright, it's good.
Is everything else the same?